Mirror image the motifs in large-scale or novelty prints to create kaleidoscope-style patchwork. Identify the desired motif. Using a clamshell mirror is the best way to isolate a motif and see what it will look like repeated. Find the repeat and mark it on your fabric. Cut, then stack the 6 equally sized portions of fabric that include that motif. Align the motifs by pushing a sharp pin through each layer. Using your template, isolate your desired motif within your shape. Make sure that you're positioned comfortably to cut. Here, we're tilting our Martelli workstation to a correct angle. Then cut through all the layers. When the diamonds are sewn together, they kaleidoscope into fascinating patterns. Where you choose to cut will completely change the look of your block.